What's the meaning of crotchet? Crotchet. Crotchet.
Crotchet. Crotchet. A crotchet is a musical note that symbolizes a quarter of a whole note's duration. It is typically represented as a black oval with a stem extending upward or downward, along with one or more flags or beams. In Western music notation, a crotchet is considered to be a fundamental unit of rhythm, and plays a key role in determining the tempo and time signature of a piece. With its simple yet versatile character, the crotchet serves as an essential building block for musical patterns, phrases, and melodies across a wide range of styles and genres.